Presenting data in ways which tell a story is something that we talk about all the time at NationalField. How do we make your experience on NationalField different than your experience would be with a spreadsheet? We want to give people the same access to data that they would get out of a spreadsheet, but remove all the barriers. When we all sat down at the table, the big thing that we were hearing over and over again around the room was that we needed to bring more quantitative data into the feed. We needed to find a way to take a feed, which is something that sort of everybody's doing out there, and make it uniquely NationalField. So I think what we want to do is target putting kind of small charts, some kind of just simple. So we talked it over and we kind of looked at a lot of things, and we really grabbed onto the idea of sort of Sparklines, some kind of a Sparkline in the feed, some way that we could present a lot of information in a very small amount of space. Sparklines are really small charts without axes that give you a really quick sense of your data at a glance.
When it came down to deciding how many Sparklines we were going to put in each feed item, I think 2 is the perfect number. It's not too cluttered, but it also contextualizes the data, gives us a reference point.
Every single time a user's reporting, it's pushing out one of these new feed stories. It's got a ton of data there. It's showing the trend over the last 14 reports, and it's just really cool. And I think our users are going to be really, really happy with it. It's going to change the way that people are using NationalField.